Hi viewers, this is Anshul Puri on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today we are welcoming our esteemed guest. She is a certified life coach. आपके डाउट्स को डिवाइन कनेक्शंस में बिल्कुल कनेक्ट करती हैं, क्लियर करती हैं, आपकी इनर स्ट्रेंथ को स्ट्रॉन्ग करती हैं और आपके ड्रीम्स को क्लियर डायरेक्शन देती हैं. हर नेम इज पायल मंडल एंड शी इज ऑन ताजा टॉक स्टूडियो प्लेटफॉर्म ऑलरेडी आ चुकी हैं. नमस्कार, कैसी हैं आप?
नमस्कार मैम, मैं अच्छी हूँ। हाउ आर यू?
मैं बिल्कुल अच्छी हूँ, बहुत अच्छी हूँ. आपको देख के और अच्छी हो गई. तो पायल, आपकी लाइफ का कौन सा ऐसा फेज था जहां आपने सबसे ज्यादा सेल्फ डाउट फेस किया?
um there was a phase like please excuse me, मैं ज्यादातर इंग्लिश में ही बोलूंगी.
नो
So
प्रॉब्लम.
there was a phase in my life where I was going, it was a very hard phase for me. So um I looked strong from outside, but I felt lost inside. अंदर से मुझे लगता था कि there's something missing. So from outside, बाहर से everything looked okay. I was doing everything that I needed to do. I was doing all my jobs, like everything that had to be done was getting done. But from inside, I was doubting myself. Okay. I was functioning and I was questioning what is the purpose of my existence. And it was at that point I felt like so lost, so helpless. It felt like, I was picking up these small pieces of my life टू मेक अ पिक्चर, बट वो पिक्चर कभी खत्म ही नहीं हो रही थी, वो पिक्चर कभी कंप्लीट ही नहीं होती थी. सो आई वाज फिल्ड विथ वॉइड एंड आई हैड लॉस्ट माय आइडेंटिटी. सो दैट वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इन वेरी बैड प्लेस एंड इन रियल सेल्फ डाउट.
लाइफ कोच बनने के बाद पायल, होता है ना, डिसीजन एक कॉलिंग होता है, राइट? क्या एक सिचुएशन से कोई मजबूर हो जाता है, तो ऐसा क्या था कि जिसने आपको मजबूर किया कि लाइफ कोच आपको बनना ही है?
वो एक्चुअली देयर वाज नो क्लियर कॉलिंग. सो इट कंपल्शन के साथ ही इट हैड स्टार्टेड. So as I just told you ki I was going through a very tough phase in my life, a very hard phase in my life. And there I had to look at myself. I had to look at myself from a point where I was assessing myself. As I was saying, so from outside everything was feeling normal, but inside I was totally confused, totally void. And it was like, I was then at one point of time standing on a cliff where either I had to flee, either मैं वो cliff से jump करती, like literally I was not in a on a cliff, but like metamorphic. I was on a cliff where either I could jump from the cliff or I could take action, take control, take charge of my life. So and so that came into the highest survival mode. So I was at the highest survival point. So then I started looking inside me, what was lacking, why I was feeling like that, and I started healing. And as it happened, I realized that it was just not me. There were thousands of women, and we were all facing the similar situation. Some had agreed, some abhi bhi. There are women who both sell it and they agree, they compromise with the situation and they live in that situation. एंड वो जैसे एक जॉम्बी बन के अपने एक एक वो अ,
मुखौटा
क्या
पहन
कहते हैं,
लेते हैं.
हाँ, जैसे देर इज ओनली अ शेप दैट दे हैव अ फेस, दे हैव अ बॉडी, बट फ्रॉम इनसाइड दे बिकम वॉइड. फीलिंग्स खत्म हो जाती हैं उन लोग की. एंड दे आर जस्ट लिविंग, क्योंकि उनको हर दिन दे जस्ट हैव टू लिव, दे आर द डेज आर जस्ट पासिंग, क्योंकि उनको पास करना है. सो देर इज नो इंटेंशन दैट दे आर लिविंग विथ. So
हम्म.
I was in that state, and then when I started healing, I realized that many of us women are going and facing the same situation. And like me, they had no idea whom to turn to, how to get help from. And I wanted to be that person. I wanted to be there for the people who are feeling like that, who wanted to heal. So that is what became my calling. My compulsion became my calling. And that fire inside me ki at that point कि मुझे जीना है. I'm not going to be that shell who is living. I need to be living with a purpose. That fire drove me to my calling. So my compulsion became my calling, and I wanted to help everybody to live their best version of life, to bring about the change, and to be a better person, the best version of themselves. So that became a compulsion.
Okay. पायल, अगर मैं बाहर के लोगों की बात करूं तो what do you think? People are more suffering with fear, confusion, या comparison?
They are fear. They are suffering from lack of clarity. They have a deep, quiet confusion. There's a silent overwhelm that they feel. And when they are constantly exposed to other people's lives, other people's opinion, other people's achievement, and what they are expected to do, somewhere along the way, they lose touch with themselves, the inner selves.
Mm-hmm.
And on top of that, to top it up, there's fear, and then there is comparison. And they both, fear and comparison, they both become permanent residents on your shoulders, both talking to you constantly.
Mm-hmm.
So then you become subject to somebody's validation, somebody's approval, a constant reassurance की जरूरत पड़ जाती है आपको at that phase. So, like, I'll just give an example to make it more simpler. Say you open the fridge, आपने fridge खोला, fridge में भरा पड़ा है खाना. So you have all sort of food in the fridge, but then you open the fridge and then you say there is nothing to eat. So the food is there, but the clarity is missing. That is how many people feel. You know, they look fine, but there is something incomplete because there is no clarity. They are not broken, they are just disconnected from their inner direction. And when you don't know what to choose, what step to take, what is the next step, your whole life starts feeling unsure. And you get exhausted from this. And this becomes a real struggle. Your lack of clarity becomes your lack of ability to
Right.
move forward as well.
आपके लिए सिंपल शब्दों में कॉन्फिडेंस क्या है?
हर दिन जब मैं घर से निकलती हूँ और मैं जाके एक कैब में बैठ जाती हूँ, आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग कि अगर मैं घर से निकल रही हूँ, ऑन द रोड मेरे साथ क्या क्या होगा. या अगर मैं कैब में बैठ जाती हूँ, कैब में व्हेन आई एम ड्राइविंग और गोइंग टू फ्रॉम प्लेस ए टू प्लेस बी, आई एम सिटिंग ऑन इन द कैब एंड आई एम driving in that cab. So that is like confidence. And I'll say it's a divine confidence that I'm not questioning. I am believing in myself कि मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी. I'm not
मैं सही
questioning the
जगह जा
fact
रही हूँ,
that
मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी.
मैं
राइट.
पहुंचूंगी कि नहीं. Like एक बच्चा जब साइकिल चलाता है,
हम्म.
तो वो कभी सोचता नहीं है कि मैं
मैं गिर
गिरूंगा कि
जाऊंगा.
नहीं गिरूंगा.
राइट.
वो चलाता है, वो चला लेता है. जो ठीक से ना चला पाए, नॉट वेरी एफिशिएंटली, बट वो चला लेता है. So that is a confidence, divine confidence that they hold within themselves.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट यू आर. तो जब कोई क्लाइंट आपको बोलता है कि आई फील स्टक मैम, आप सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन क्या पूछती हैं?
First of all is, if somebody is telling me I feel stuck, that means first thing is they feel that they are not seen. So first thing is to acknowledge it. Ki, हाँ, I know, I see that you are feeling stuck. You are in a situation where you don't know what to do and what is wrong with you. And that is completely all right. So the first thing that you need to ask is you need to think what is asking your attention. something is asking your attention, something, either it's a fear that you are not wanting, you don't want to face, or there's a question that you don't want to answer, which actually happens is because we have energy, हमारे में energies होते हैं. So in this condition, when we are avoiding, when we are not facing our fears, not facing our or not setting boundaries, we bring our energy down. So so what I say is, let's slow down. Okay, let's slowly move into action and take one step at a time. And this is what I actually do with them. So I say that, what feels heavy, what is the kind of feeling that you're feeling,
Mm-hmm.
what is, so then is you need to identify what you are tolerating. Is it a fear that you are tolerating? Is it the question, as I said, that you're avoiding? And because aware, when you become aware, that is what gives you power to separate the what is the reality कि असली में है क्या. The fear that you are avoiding, असली में वो है भी नहीं, है भी कि या नहीं. Is it real, or is it just a fear that you have built it up within yourself because you don't want to face it? Right? So you need to separate the fear from the truth. And then so once you have realized what is holding you back, what action, is it a no, maybe, it is a no that you are not saying, maybe. Okay. So once you've identified it, you need to take one small action. You don't have to solve everything. एक ही बारी में सब कुछ solve नहीं करना है. You just need to take one small action that aligns with what you are feeling. Okay. You have to make on that day, one
Mm-hmm.
step at a time, set a boundary, or simply say no, or simply have a conversation. So even that small win, even that small step you take will help you feel that you have achieved something. So that will get you away from that stuck energy.
Okay. uh, पायल, क्या साइलेंस भी हीलिंग का एक पावरफुल टूल हो सकता है?
Definitely, silence can be a very powerful tool for healing, especially when there is so much noise around us. Noise, just not in the sense of noise, like there is so many expectations, superficial noise too, so many expectations, opinions, notification all around us, that we do not get to hear our inner self. We do not get to, or we stop listening to ourselves. So, and over time, these noises, they become a part of ourselves, and we have जो हमारे inner self है, उससे हम बहुत दूर जा चुके होते हैं. So silence gives us that pause from all these noises that is surrounding us. It allows the mind to slow down and the body to feel safe again, because now your inner self can relate to what you are feeling. So it is not reacting or performing, it's simply being. And that alone starts the healing process. The emotions still up hidden because of your busy schedule up. You don't feel. आपके emotions जो आते हैं, you say, abhi I don't have time to feel that. You push it at the back of your head. You don't let yourself feel that, you know. So in silence, you get that space to settle, to feel that emotion. You begin to notice what you're feeling instead of suppressing it. You let the silence speak to your inner voice and you listen to it. So silence can be a huge healing factor to a person.
मैं पायल, ऐसी कौन सी एक बिलीफ है जो लोगों को सबसे ज्यादा पीछे खींचती है?
That I will start when I'm ready. Abhi, I'm not ready. I will start when I
Yes,
feel
you
confident.
are right. You are
I will
right. You are
start
right.
when I'm ready. So most of us are waiting for that permission, for that confidence, for that readiness. But nobody realizes, if you do not take readiness, kab aega? If you do not take that first step, So one small step together will bring you to that readiness. One small step together will make you ready, will give you that perfection. So we all keep waiting for readiness. We all keep waiting to feel confident. We all keep waiting to get perfect, right? So life doesn't hand out certificates for being prepared. You have to take that first step to be ready.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट। अगर कोई अपनी लाइफ का पर्पस नहीं समझ पा रहा तो स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से करना चाहिए उनको?
First is, it is completely okay. We don't need to understand the whole life's purpose. It is completely okay. So it is, first is pause and remove that pressure कि मुझे जानना है कि मुझे क्या करना है. So remove that pressure and pause, and then ask yourself that what I do, I need to figure out right now. So that shows up that when you are taking that small step to figure out at the present आपको क्या चाहिए, that will give you purpose. And you will notice, I will say an exercise that you can do is, you will then, when you start observing yourself daily, कि आप regularly at one day what you are doing, start noticing what is draining you and start noticing what is giving you energy. तो throughout the day आपको कौन कौन सी वो चीजें हैं which is making you unhappy, which is draining you, which is making you feel burdened, and what are the things which are making you happy, which is giving you energy, जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है, fulfillment मिलती है. Observe this for 1 week. You'll notice a pattern. ठीक है? So then, depending on that pattern, take one small step every day to make yourself happy, to
एब्सोल्युटली
give you
राइट।
that happiness. But that does not mean don't look into what is not making you happy. It is, you face that. Like as I said, keep up, do small action towards it to overcome it.
तो पायल,
छोटे छोटे
अगर मैं
steps.
आपकी जर्नी की बात करूं, आप पायल का नेक्स्ट वर्जन खुद को कहाँ देख रही हैं अगले 5 सालों में?
अगले 5 सालों में I'm going, my mission is, along with my mission is, I'm looking at refinement of my mission, and my mission being key, I want each and every woman to stop being in that victim energy and rise in that Devi energy that we all are. We have been वो victim energy में डाल डाल के ना, हम लोग को डाल के, we have become that subdued version. We are not supposed to be that subdued version. We are Shakti, right? So in the next 5 years, my vision is deeper learning, strengthening my emotional intelligence, sharpening my communication, and so that I can serve better, grow in an intentional way. Okay, so set clearer boundaries. And I don't want to stop learning. And जितना, क्योंकि इतना vast है, there's so much to learn, so much. जितना
यस,
मैं learn करूंगी उतना I can help, I can
एग्जैक्टली,
understand, I can venture, be that support that I want to be, which I never got. So in
एग्जैक्टली,
the next 5 years, I want, that is my intention.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल आप जो सोच रही हैं वो जरूर होगा। तो अब एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे आपके साथ। मॉर्निंग रूटीन है या नाइट रिफ्लेक्शन है आपकी लाइफ में?
Night reflection matters more, क्योंकि रात को then I can sit and I can think कि पूरे दिन में क्या क्या हुआ, and what I have done जो कि I could have done different and in a better way. So that gives me perspective and to improve myself more, to build myself more.
ओके। कॉन्फिडेंस स्किल है या माइंडसेट?
Confidence is a skill and a state of mind which you can build through practice over time. So it is a skill also and a state of mind also.
साइलेंस या म्यूजिक?
Silence is for grounding, and when I'm looking for clarity, music is when I'm looking for emotional release, for expression. So both are different purpose depending on what I need at what point of time.
फियर को इग्नोर करना चाहिए या फेस करना चाहिए?
फियर को बिल्कुल इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए, acknowledge it and move on, because fear will not disappear and it will not give you any progress, but when you face it with awareness, it will lose its control.
एग्जैक्टली। एक शब्द जो आपको डिस्क्राइब करता हो, ओनली वन वर्ड।
Lifelong learner.
हीलिंग के लिए सबसे जरूरी चीज क्या होती है?
Emotional safety.
ड्रीमर्स या डोर्स?
Dreamers who take action.
ओवर थिंकिंग का इंस्टेंट सोल्यूशन क्या होता है?
Be a doer.
कोचिंग या काउंसलिंग?
Both serve different purpose. Counseling is a reactive measure. Coaching is a proactive tool.
मैसेज फॉर लिसनर्स इन वन लाइन?
The road to success is always under construction. So stop waiting for that perfect moment and take the first step and let it flow and create that, go into the momentum and create the masterpiece.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। तो पायल, अभी चलते चलते हमारे व्यूअर्स को ये बताइए कि आपसे कैसे कनेक्ट किया जा सकता है। आप इंस्टाग्राम पे हैं तो आपके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल क्या है वो यहाँ बता भी दीजिए, हम लिंक शेयर भी कर देंगे।
मेरे से व्हाट्सएप में आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर, दैट 7678250051, और ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल आप माइंड एंड एसेंस बाय पायल।
थैंक यू सो मच, इट वाज इनक्रेडिबल कॉन्वर्सेशन विद यू पायल। तो
थैंक यू
स्टे
सो
ट्यून्ड
मच
व्यूअर्स,
अंशु।
एपिसोड रिलीज होते ही लिंक शेयर कर दिया जाएगा और लिंक्स के नीचे ही आपको पायल मैम के लिंक्स मिलेंगे। तो सही रास्ता, सही पाथ पे जाना चाहते हैं तो जरूर करेक्ट कीजिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच, नमस्कार।
थैंक यू मैम, इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर।